Good morning, students. I hope you all are well and safe at your home. So, students, let's start today's class. Now, students, last week I have done only revision work in our maths notebook. That was the basic work of maths. Now, from today, I am going to start your book work of chapter number 1. So, students, this is your maths book. Today I am going to start work from this book, and our first chapter is large numbers. Today I will explain you the Indian numeration system and international numeration system. Today I will explain you this. So students, this is the table of Indian numeration system and the international numeration system. So students, look here. Now students, in this table we divide these all Indian numeration system into 4 periods. We divide Indian numeration system into 4 periods. So we grouped into in in 3 digits. That period is called, first period is divided into 3 digits, 3 grouped digits. This is called ones group. Second is thousand group. Third period is lakh group, and fourth period is crore group. And after every period we put the comma. Period means we put comma. So look here students, suppose this is ones, tens and hundred, and this is ones group. Then thousand and 10,000, this is thousand group. Lakh and 10 lakh, so this is lakh group. Crore and 10 crore, this is crore group. First period divided into 3 groups, second is 2 group, third is 2 group, and last crore period is divided into 2 groups. So first of is 3 group, second 2 group, third 2 group, and fourth is also 2 group digits. Suppose we write the number here 3, 4, 7, 6, 8, 5, 2, 1 and 9. And this also write here 3, 4, 7, 6, 8, then 5, 2, 1 and 9. We write the same number in the both numeration system. This is Indian numeration system and this is international numeration system. Now in Indian system we read this, what this is crore period. So this is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10. Now in this system we divided each digit according to its position. So what is the place of each digit? We place each digit according to its position in Indian system and both in international system. Now what we read, अब हम इस नंबर को कैसे पढ़ेंगे? How we read this number? So look here, ones, tens, 100, ones, tens, 100. After this period we put comma here, according to the Indian system, place value system. Then 1000, 10,000, so put comma here. Then lakh, 10 lakh, then put comma here. Then crore, 10 crore. So we read 91 crore, 25 lakh, 86,000, 743. So when we divide each numbers according to its position, it is very easy to read us. So what is the place value of each digit? So according the place value of each digit we read the numbers. So the place value of 91 is crore, 91 crore. The place value of 25 is lakh, 25 lakh. So the place value of 86 is 86,000, and this is 740. So now this number, how we read in this number in international numeration of system. Now students, in international numeration of system we read it in international system that there are 3 periods and all periods are grouped in 3 digits. इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम में बेटे ऑल पीरियड्स जो है वो 3 ग्रुप्स में 3 डिजिट्स के ग्रुप में डिवाइड होते हैं. फर्स्ट पीरियड इज कॉल्ड वंस पीरियड, सेकंड पीरियड इज कॉल्ड थाउजेंड पीरियड एंड थर्ड पीरियड इज कॉल्ड मिलियंस. इन फर्स्ट पीरियड वंस, टेंस, हंड्रेड, बट इन थाउजेंड पीरियड अकॉर्डिंग 10,000 तक तो बेटे दोनों में सेम होता है. देयर आर द ग्रुपिंग सिस्टम ऑफ both system the grouping system in both systems are same at 10,000. After 10,000 it is differ. After 10,000 इसमें change हो जाता है. In Indian system after 10,000 there is 1 lakh, but in international numeration system after 10,000 there is 100,000. Then after lakh is equal to 10 lakh. In Indian system after lakh there is 10 lakh, but in international system after 100,000 there is 1 million, then 10 million, then 100 million. So in international system of numeration first period is ones, tens, hundred, second is thousand, 10,000 and 100,000, and third period is million, 10 million and 100. So there are 3 periods in international system of numeration: ones period, thousand period and millions. And there are 4 periods in Indian numeration system: ones period, thousand period, lakh period and crores period. So how we read this number in international system of numeration? So students, ones, tens, hundred, then put comma after 1 period, then thousand, 10,000, 100,000, then put comma after this period, then 1 million, 10 million and 100 million. So we will read. कैसे read करेंगे हम इसे? This is millions period. So 912 millions. Then 586 thousands. Then 740. So students, when we put the comma, then it is very easy to read all the digits. So we put comma according to the places, according to the periods. So we read 912. What is the place value of 912? Millions. So 912 is millions, 912 millions, then 586,000 period हो गया, then 743. So students, we read this number. These are the same number. ये दोनों same number हैं, and we read these 2 numbers according to the Indian numeration system and also according to the international numeration system. So students, first you will open your maths copy, write down the name of the chapter, chapter 1, large numbers. This is the chapter name, and write this period in Indian numeration system chart and international numeration system chart. So students, write this. इस चार्ट को आप फटाफट से बना लीजिए. सो दिस इज वेरी इजी टू फाइंड आउट द ऑल द नंबर्स एंड देयर प्लेस वैल्यूज. सो राइट डाउन दिस, ड्रॉ दिस चार्ट ऑन योर मैथ्स नोटबुक. Now students, from next page you will start the worksheet 1. You have now there is no exercise in this chapter. इस chapter में कोई भी exercise नहीं है बेटे. There is only worksheet. So write down the question number 1 of worksheet 1. Question number 1 is rewrite the following numbers placing commas in the Indian way. Now you see the numbers, so you have to rewrite the following numbers placing commas. हमको यहाँ पर क्या करना है? इनकी प्लेसेस पे कॉमा पुट करने हैं. इन द किस में भी करने हैं? इन द इंडियन सिस्टम, इंडियन वे. सो इंटरनेशनल न्यूमरेशन सिस्टम के अकॉर्डिंग वी पुट द कॉमास इन दीज डिजिट्स. सो फर्स्ट राइट डाउन 3, 1, 1, 9, 2. So first period is ones period. That ones, tens, 100. This is ones period, comma, then 1000, 10,000. So what we read, how we read these numbers? 31,192. नेक्स्ट बी है बेटे, राइट डाउन 8002. So ones, tens, 100, then comma, then 1000. This number is 8002. So put the comma after 8. So next is 4, 5, 2, 1, 3. So ones, tens, 100, then put comma, 1000 and 10,000. So this number is 45,230. Next is 1, 7, 6, 8, 3, 5. So ones, tens, 100. This is ones period. Then 1000, 10,000. This is 1000 period, and this is lakh. One is lakhs. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So 1,76,835. आप अगर एक बार यहाँ लिख लीजिए, ये 3 हो गए हमारे ones, tens, 100 is ones period, and 6 and 7 is 1000 period, and 1 is lakh. So the place value of 1 is lakh. This is 70. The place value of 76 is 1000, and this is 835. So 1,76,835. So students, we have done sum number A, B, C, D of question 1, and your homework is you will do sum number E and F. So write down sum number E and F. You will do in your homework. So write down question number 2. So write this question number 1. Now students, write down question number 2. Question number 2 is rewrite the following numbers placing commas in the international book. So we rewrite the numbers and then we place the commas according to the international numeration system. But you all know students, in international numeration system there are 3 grouped digits and all periods are of 3 grouped. So all periods जो है इसमें आपके इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम में 3 डिजिट्स के ग्रुप में होते, 3 ग्रुप्स के डिजिट्स में होते हैं. So all first is, now write down this number 29035 and 6. 290,356. So number are grouped in digits of 3. So first ones, tens, 100, then comma, then 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. So this is ones period and this is 1000. So we will read 290,356. Now second one B is 410258. So again this is ones, tens, 100 is ones period, and 1000, 10,000 and 100,000 is 1000 period. So we will read 410,258. Now C is 341095. So ones, tens, 100 start from the right side and start from right side and going to the left. हम right से start करके left की तरफ जा रहे हैं. So ones, tens, 100 is ones period, 1000, 10,000, 100,000 is 1000 period. So after one period we put the comma and it is very easy to read us. So 341,000, this is 95 because there is 0 at the place of 100. So 341 is क्या हो गया 1000, 341,095. So students, today we have done question number 1 and question number 2 of worksheet 1. So sum number D, E, F of question 2 is your homework. Sum number E and F of question 1 and sum number D, E, F of question number 2 is your homework. You will do these sums in your maths notebook. उन्हीं उस question 1 में A, B, C, D, then E and F आप वहीं पे कर लेंगे. Then यहाँ पर भी C तक we have complete. So D, E, F आप इसी के नीचे से ही you will do your homework according to the क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, उन्हीं के अलग से आपको करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 एंड 2 के साथ में ही इनको आप कर लेंगे. सो स्टूडेंट्स, I hope you understand very easily all things. So this is all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.